In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve 8 cosine theta plus 3 is equal to 0. I want to isolate the cosine theta, so I'm going to subtract 3 and divide by 8 by both sides. So I have cosine theta is equal to negative 3/8. Making sure that your calculator is in degree mode because we want our answers in degrees. I'm going to make sure that I'm in degree mode, and then I'm going to use inverse cosine to find my angle. And I'm going to plug in negative 3/8 into inverse cosine. That's going to give me 112.02 degrees. If we look at this on our unit circle, 112 degrees is going to fall somewhere in here. I'm going to open up this way, and I'm going to have 112 degrees. Oh, sorry, 112.02 degrees. Now, cosine represents our x value on the unit circle where that angle terminates, that point on the circle. And so, since that's our x value, we're looking to see the other place on the circle that would give us the same x value, and that would be down here. My same x value would be right here. So I need to also find this angle that swings open like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to find this angle here by subtracting 180 minus 112, and I know that that's the same as this angle over here, and then we're going to add it to 180. So if I take 180 minus 112.02, this angle here is 67.98, which means this angle here is 67.98. So I'm going to take 180 plus 67.98, and that's going to give me 247.98 degrees. That's our first angle, or actually, I'm sorry, our second angle. Our first angle was 112.02 degrees. So we can check it by plugging this into the calculator. If I take 8 and multiply it by the cosine of 112.02, and then add 3, I should get 0. And then do the same thing, check your other angle. If I have 8 times cosine of 247.98 degrees, and I add 3, I should get 0. So let's do that now. If I take cosine of 112.02, multiply it by 8, and then add 3, this one works. It doesn't come out to exactly 0 because we rounded to 2 decimal places, but it comes out close enough that you can clearly see that it's 0. And then I'm going to do the same thing for my other angle. I'm going to take cosine of 247.98, multiply that by 8, and add 3, and this one works as well. So we know we've got the right answer.